Sometimes even simply ordering a pizza is hard, but there are even more stressful situations to face, such as making a complaint. Yes, my dearest students, today your beloved teacher Melike will teach you how to make a complaint. For those who are new here, hi, I'm teacher Melike. Nice to meet you. Welcome and welcome back to English Central. If you are feeling like a Karen and ready to talk to the manager, let's begin. Let's start with the basics. First, you need to greet and introduce yourself to the person you are going to make a complaint to. If you want to learn how to introduce yourself in more detail, you can check out our video on self-introduction. But don't worry, I will give you a few tips here as well. As an example, use formal greetings when you are making a complaint. A simple hello would do just fine. Keep in mind that hello is both a formal and an informal greeting. Next up, you are going to introduce yourself. There is no need to go too deep this time. Just tell them your name and, if necessary, tell them from where you are calling, as in, I am calling from English Central. You need to continue with your problem. In order to describe your issue, you can say, I am having a problem with. I am having a problem with my delivery. Another expression, this time it's a little advanced, could be, I've encountered a difficulty with. I've encountered a difficulty with my order. If you feel like you don't want to sound like you are blaming the other side, there seems to be an issue with will be your expression to go. Since it is less direct, it doesn't blame the other side for the inconvenience. So it's a very kind expression. There seems to be an issue with the dress I ordered from you. You can also use the purpose of my call. The purpose of my call is to let you know that there is a payment issue. If the staff you are making a complaint to asks you about the details of your order, you might hear something like, can you tell me the details of your package? To answer, you can say, it is a or an. It is a book I purchased. Or you can say, I purchased or ordered a book from you. At the end, if the staff won't tell you when this problem will come to a solution, or if you are making a written complaint, you can ask, when will this problem be solved? Or when will I have a resolution? Now, let's put it into practice, shall we? Let me show you our new role-playing tool that helps you get better at talking by pretending to be in different situations. Let's go to the English Central's website. Now we will click on the speaking at the top and choose conversations after that. Now you can see a lot of contents we have. Here on the right of the screen, you can choose the level of the contents. We have beginner level contents, intermediate ones, and advanced level ones. Here, let's choose making complaints, hence the topic. It is intermediate level, level 4. Now Mimi is explaining the situation and leading in the role play. According to Mimi, your situation, you are calling a customer service staff to follow up on a package that you didn't receive on time. These are our goals. You should 1. Greet the staff and introduce yourself. 2. Mention the purpose of your call. 3. Give details about your package. And 4. Ask the staff when you will receive it. Mimi can talk to you. To hear Mimi speak, click on the blue icon in the speech bubble. If you click on the gear wheel icon, you can find chat settings. Mimi has different voices in both American and British English, both male and female. You can choose your favorite voice and adjust the volume. At the bottom of the chat settings, there's a translation option you can turn on and off. When it's on, click on the translation icon at the bottom of the bubble and it will translate what Mimi says for you. You can also change the language for the translated text by clicking here on chat settings. Okay, now let's begin. Mimi says, hello, this is Mimi from English Central Delivery Services. How may I help you? We need to start with a greeting and an introduction. Let's say, hello, I am Melike. We've seen that hello is proper for this kind of context. Let's send the answer. By the way, you can listen to your answer by clicking here. Mimi says, "Hi Melike, how can I assist you today?" Because it says we are calling to follow up on a package that we didn't receive on time, I'll say, "I'm having a problem with the delivery of my package." I'm having a problem with the delivery of my package. Mimi answered, "I'm sorry to hear that. Could you please provide me with the details of your package?" Let's say it is a pair of jeans because it should be a package according to the story. It was a pair of jeans I ordered from you. Mimi's answer is, "I see. It seems there has been an issue during the transit of your package." Now, it looks like the situation has been solved, but we have one more task. Let's ask when we will receive the package. Mimi has given us an answer. Let's say thank you and end the practice. By the way, we have a video on how to say thank you in 24 different ways. You can check that out as well to be more creative, Thank you. And with Mimi's last answer ends the practice. Now Mimi will share a report about the lesson. It will tell us if we did well on our goals, fix any mistakes in our sentences, suggest new words, and recommend videos on the same topic. At the bottom there are two buttons. One says view conversation so you can see the conversation again. The other one says try again. Click on this one if you want to practice once more. Okay guys, this is it for today. This is how you can use our AI role-playing feature and make a complaint. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm a person who does complain and seek for their rights when something unpleasant happens. People like me are called confrontational. I'm not a Karen, though, don't worry. How do you feel about making a complaint? Tell me in the comments. If you have questions, you can ask them in the comments section as well. I'll be more than happy to answer. And now, the outro. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click on the link in the description box to visit our website and learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. If you want, you can follow us on Instagram and TikTok as well. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care.